Alright, let's move this forward a little bit. It's been a while, man. So, it's not like I didn't record for any specific reason, honestly. I just wasn't doing something interesting, I guess. I mean, I was, but yeah, I was a little bit busy. So, yeah, no excuse, honestly. I went to Naples, I just came back. It's been a while. I don't know what I left you with, but yeah. Yeah, let's see my last video when I made it, just to like have a general idea. Okay, so 2 weeks ago, 15. It was also a very short video. Honestly, I don't know what happened. Probably like some voice commands trigger, which never happens. Maybe if I say video many times, that will happen, but yeah. Video, stop recording, stop the video, pause the video, stop the video. No, it's not working, man. Anyway, yeah, last time I talked about maybe how I was feeling, and honestly, I'm kind of back to normal right now. Almost probably completely recovered from the mononucleosis, and yeah, except for the fact that like university is absolutely fucking not a priority. I could not care less. Yeah, that's something. But I am indeed very invested in the beef jerky shenanigans. Got some plans ahead I wanna talk to you about, but yeah, just wanted to mention something. I came back from Naples, and when I was there, I did a lot of stuff. Like I was able to use my brother's PC. He lent me one, and yeah, I mean I did some work. Honestly, is this the right? Yeah, I did some work. Honestly, I added some new columns. I fixed stuff. I remade a lot of stuff. I added a very cool way to pre-plan automatically the the how many packs of how much beef jerky can stay on like one grid, like on one tray, all like automatically decided based on like the fucking recipes I want to make. They all have like different ratios and shit. Like I did that all automatically. I want to show it to you real quick. Yeah, so let's collapse that. So this is the core thing. So you choose the beef jerky. Let's say I want to do this yeah, this recipe. I add it. This is the amount of jerky that will come out of one grid, so like one tray, and this is the meat required for that recipe. And if there are more of the same recipe, they are added up, and this is displayed here with a 0. This specific format is chosen like this so that I can like go here. Sorry, I can when I'm planning a recipe, I can just like go here and paste. Okay, as you can see, this is the same format, recipe and amount of meat. So I have a copy and paste, which I can paste here, and you know what I'm talking about. And yeah, this just gives you a general idea of how much meat is required, like how much this is the amount of beef and this is the amount of chicken. If you have multiple like cross meat type recipes in the batch you're doing, so this is like a recipe that requires chicken, so this is the chicken required. This is beef, and this is the total amount of beef, which accounts for both this and this recipe. So this is kind of the gist of it. And then I have the planning for the packs. So let's say this recipe in total gives you 220. You can see this here. This is the recipe. And then I can say I want packs of 50, and I want 5, let's say 4, okay, and these automatically snapped based on how much you can fit. Okay, like if I type for example 60, this number will snap back automatically to the maximum amount of jerky. And then here is the leftover from this packaging, and you can add here like a second layer of packs. So this is the leftover. You say I want to make 10-gram bags. So you click that, and these yeah, I don't know why this didn't automatically change. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I had to fix this on trigger on this. Okay, so now it should work. Let's say 20. Obviously it's gonna say 1, but if I say like packs of 5, which is very little, it will automatically change to 4, because like this leftover is 20, so it can fit. And this is the remaining like leftover from the second layer of packs, and in this case it is 2. Okay, I can also choose how much jerky I want to set apart. Like I want to give for free, so I can say let's make like 20 grams as a sample, so this will be, you know, subtracted from the remaining. As you can see, if I lower this to 0, this goes up, and the more I increase the number of free jerky, the less I have available here, so the less I can pack up. And this whole system, like I did all of that. I kind of got lost into what I was saying, but yeah, if you're still looking, man, watching, what happened is that I lost everything. Yeah, so I did these, and I did a lot more things, very complicated and niche, like mechanics and strange formulas, where to phrase, and very hard nerdy shit. Okay, and I was happy because I managed to make that time there productive. Okay, I was able to work in like that times. I loved it. Okay, I came back for a specific reason which I may not get into. I had to relaunch the Docker container, and I lost everything. Okay, fucking luckily, I made a backup a few days before I left, so I didn't lose everything. But like most of the things I did, all of the things I did on vacation, like they were all lost. So I had to like spend over like 3.5 hours remaking that, and luckily I only spent 3.5 hours, because originally I probably would have spent double or triple of that. But since I already knew what I wanted, I was able to, you know, speed run it, I guess. And I also recorded that because it was a pain in the ass to do, and yeah. So I kind of got hopefully back on the same page I was at before deleting fucking everything, but that took a while and it was very discouraging. I was devastated. Yeah, so that's one thing. The other thing I'm very excited about is having a storage system. Like I want to have a barcode on the packs, and I want to be able to have an app that scans those barcodes and updates automatically the inventory I have, so I can yeah, I can display what I have and what I don't have, and I can have like you know, I can sell stuff, and I mean not sell, but yeah, everybody can, like, I cannot explain myself. Anyway, yeah, I want to have that, and this is the system. This is the table, and it will update the state. This is the barcode, and yeah, but yeah, it's kind of maybe I can put the barcode here. I think that's perfect. Yeah, let's put the barcode here. What do you think? It's an empty space. I don't know what happened here. I don't know why it is so ugly. Oh, probably because, yeah. Alright, what happened? Okay, so I will probably put the you know, the barcode here. I have to update the label maker so that I can like print a series of labels for as many packs as I planned. So I want to be able to, you know, this guy pull data from this table, which is basically this table. I wanted to pull these you know, columns, and automatically decide, I mean automatically print as many packs as I need, so I don't have to guess that. I can do it all preemptively and pretty quickly, but that's another batch of work I will have to do with Cursor. And yeah, that's one thing. But once I have that sorted and I have the barcodes for each individual pack, which is gonna be like completely you know, like unequivocal, like there is only one barcode for each, you know, package, because one package takes data from the batch it is made from, so like number 30 and the recipe it was in, and this a sequential number. Okay, like it has a specific UUID. Okay, that's the gist of it. And yeah, once I have that, man, I will be able to have a storage system with that application I was having. And yeah, I was about to get into that. I kind of made the prompt while I was away, but as soon as I tried experimenting with that, I got struck with the unlucky, data deletion, so I had to remake everything. But now I'm back on track, and tomorrow the first thing I want to do, like now it's pretty late, it's almost 2 a.m. First thing I want to do tomorrow is work on that, man. I'm very excited. I've got cursor going on. I just have to find a way to bypass the fucking the greased there is a firewall for everything that wants to get its data, and I have to find a way. I tried changing the doc container to allow certain like URLs, but as I did that and I restarted the container, everything fucked up. So that's the lesson for me. So I have to be more careful, make more backups. I'm actually gonna make one right now. And yeah, fuck, have to log in again. Yeah, I have to log in again, man. But yeah, that's where I'm at. And I swear if I lost something else now, I'm gonna fucking go mad, man. Should not happen though. I have to wait a second. It's asking me to log in again. But yeah, tomorrow I want to do that. I want to have the application. It's like a web application. So it's like an actual physical application on your phone. But it should do the trick, hopefully. It will be a game changer, obviously. Let's go. Let's see. Let me save the fucking document because I'm scared of losing everything again. Wait. Did I lose something? I think. Don't tell me I lost something. Because I have here something that... No, okay, maybe. No, it's just me. Yeah, anyway, let me save this fucking document because I'm fucking paranoid right now. Yeah, that's kind of where I am at. And yeah, download documents. And it's safe. Almost. Download. Let's go. So I want to do that. And what else? I also have to fix the website. I didn't tell you yet, but something crazy. Look at this shit. Now every single package has its own QR code, okay, and it points to, like, if you scan the QR code, it points to this website, which I still have to, improve because at the moment it's very like raw. But just to prove the point, you scan the QR code, and based on the recipe it was, so let's say it was recipe number 8. The QR code already has this information, and once you enter the link, bam, you are redirected to this thing. Based on the ID of the recipe, you can change this to whatever you want, like 9. And yeah, it gives you all of the information about the recipe. At the moment there is just like a proof of concept, I guess, but this will be expanded to a lot more information about the recipe. Now I just got the code, like the ID and the nutritional value extended. I want to make this eventually into a way more detailed paragraph, like explaining everything about the recipe, which I could not fit into the small label I have, just for the curious guys. And yeah, that's something cool. Maybe even to tell the differences between the different versions of the recipe. These are only one version, but you get the point. And this is something very cool I have. Oh yeah, by the way, I made the website on its own. I don't have that like snakecarnet.it now redirects to this page here. Okay, now there is nothing, but I want to make it eventually like a landing page. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do that with cursor, or maybe I don't know, man. But yeah, that's it. That's what I am. What I did last 2 weeks. And yeah, very excited, man. As you can see, I'm really enjoying this process, but unfortunately I had to remake everything, but that's okay. And I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, do my thing, my things. And not much updates, not many updates on anything else than this beef jerky thing right now, but I guess that's how the video went. I don't know if I have many news about my emotions or university or something fucking else. Yeah, that's what you get. Thank you for watching. See you next time, bro.